This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Tesla Cybertruck. The Cybertruck's production method is truly revolutionary, starting with its unique exoskeleton design. Unlike most vehicles, it doesn't use a separate frame, instead relying on its incredibly strong outer shell. This design choice simplifies manufacturing significantly, reducing the number of parts needed and streamlining the entire assembly process from start to finish. The core of the Cybertruck's strength comes from its ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel. This specialized alloy is incredibly durable, offering superior resistance to dents, dings, and corrosion, making it a truly robust vehicle. The body panels are about 3 millimeters thick, which is significantly more substantial than typical automotive sheet metal, contributing to its impressive structural integrity and unique aesthetic. Another key innovation is the use of gigacastings, which are massive single-piece aluminum castings that form large sections of the vehicle's underbody. This dramatically reduces the number of individual parts and welds required. Furthermore, the Cybertruck incorporates a structural battery pack, where the battery cells are an integral part of the vehicle's structure, enhancing rigidity and improving crash safety while saving space. The Cybertruck's unique design philosophy leads to a remarkably simplified assembly process. With fewer than 1,200 parts, it has a significantly lower component count compared to conventional trucks. This streamlined approach not only speeds up production, but also reduces manufacturing complexity. Additionally, the vehicle's stainless steel exterior means it doesn't need traditional paint, further simplifying its finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.